I created a chatbot that can fetch news for me, keep me the human in the loop, and send it back to my email, all within one N8N workflow. You're gonna love this one, guys. Yeah, so let's talk about the high-level overview of what we've built here today. So what's going on here is that every day at 9 a.m. my articles are fetched. I asked Claude Code to whip up a endpoint to me. I gave it the documents for Firecrawl, and I said, hey, I want to web scrape the Matt Future Tools website. So let's pull up that Matt Future Tools. Yeah, so I get all my news here. So I did the same thing for Claude. I said, yeah, I want to fetch all the articles for today. So I send it today's date, and it would automatically give me back all the data, and also Toolfolio. Then we'll set the content. Then the initial news drafter will, create an outline, like an initial draft based on the system prompt that I've given it. From there, it sends me a message in Telegram. The beauty about this mechanism is to verify. So it'll send me a message that looks like this. It says, here's a current draft. Do you approve or have any feedback? And then it'll send me like the overarching current state of that newsletter draft. And then from there, it'll give me a response screen. That's gonna say this. Unfortunately, N8N doesn't have a method where we can respond within Telegram, which is fine. Don't really mind. And then once I approve of the draft, depending on the message that is sent, it'll then go into the text classifier and approve it or disapprove it. And based on the disapproval, it goes into another AI agent in order to correct what was being done. And then that just keeps going infinitely. And the beauty about this setup that I have going so far is that both GPT-5 and Nano are free once you add around 10 US to your OpenAI account. That's like bang for your buck. You can't really get that anywhere else. So then from there, I take the updated message and then it gets sent to me again. This updated message has been approved. And then the newsletter is then converted to HTML and an image is generated based on the information that was within the newsletter, and it's sent to me using Resend, which is how we end up here, AI for lunch. Now the beauty about this is that once this is sent to me, and since it's already in HTML, if I were to now open this up into its HTML mode, or even download this message or show the original, the beauty is that it's going to be, I'm going to be able to move this straight into a platform like Beehive or whatever have you, in order to then get it to like a wider audience of individuals. So that's what I've created here today. It's pretty sick workflow. Highly recommend everyone to start leveraging Claude Code. Definitely seeing how best they can integrate it to their workflow so that they too can also get have pull data from anywhere and then just have N8N orchestrated just for you. So yeah.